you are oppressing people and you are spending our money like water. Pati kami in the coming days, mawawalaan kami ng aming retirement, magalaw. Hindi kami sasali sa inyo.
Silent protest. Not taking orders at all.
Hindi silent protest. Military lang talaga.
Oh, military silent protest na yan. Will not take orders from the Commander-in-Chief.
Ano?
They will not take orders from the Commander-in-Chief. That's it.
Hindi, sabihin na nga niya. Sir, wag mo kaming isali. Pati kami, ang mga asawa ko nagtrabaho sa gobyerno, nakataya. Tingnan mo naman yung pera. Kinuha ninyo.